Using the Gemini CLI makes me feel more like a hacker than a marketer. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to get your real-time marketing data from sources like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Shopify right into your fingertips in Gemini CLI.
Adzviser.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A few of our customers recently reached out because they're very interested in analyzing their marketing data, not in ChatGPT, not in Claude, but in Gemini. They simply asked me, "Hey Gu, is it possible to use Gemini 3 to analyze our marketing data or performance metrics?" Well, the answer is yes. However, with the current state of the Gemini web app, it is not yet possible to use Adzviser there as a connector. But there is a way to do this using Gemini CLI. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to get your real-time marketing data from sources like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Shopify right into your fingertips in Gemini CLI using Adzviser MCP server. So now let's dive in. Okay, first thing first, we want to make sure that we have installed the latest version of Google's Gemini CLI. So let's go ahead and do that. And on our machine, since we've already installed it, let's just simply launch Gemini. Okay, so you may notice that at the bottom right corner, it is still choosing Gemini 2.5 as the default language model that the CLI uses. So let's now go ahead and switch it to Gemini 3. We can do so by the instructions here. So settings, okay. And let's turn on preview features to true, and then escape, and then again, model/model. Very good. And let's select Gemini 3 as our default model. Okay, let's press 1. Okay, so now you should be able to see that, hey, Gemini 3 is selected as the default language model underlying our Gemini CLI. Okay, great. Before we are able to retrieve the real-time marketing data into your Gemini CLI, we should first make sure that Adzviser MCP URL has been configured correctly. Okay, we can do so by checking this settings file. So let's first exit Gemini and let's go to this file right here. Okay, you can look up where to see this file here as well. It's called settings.json. It's right here, location right here. So let's go there. And let's simply add MCP servers, Adzviser, URL being https:// okay, mcp.adzviser.com/http, okay. Let's simply add it here and make sure that this settings file is configured correctly and saved. Okay, beautiful. And let's now relaunch Gemini. Okay. So now let's do MCP auth Adzviser. If the settings file was configured correctly, you should automatically see Adzviser here as a autocomplete. So this should take me back to Adzviser, and let's click to authorize. And let's complete authorization via MCP. Okay, authentication is successful. Very, very good. Let's go back to Gemini. Okay, so now let's type in, hey, how much did I spend on Google Ads last week? Okay, allow once, allow all server tools for this session. Let's press 3. Using the Gemini CLI makes me feel more like a hacker than a marketer. I understand that some marketers might really like it, some marketers might not. So please be aware that, hey, this process may feel a little bit hacky on your end. Okay, so here we go. This is the amount of money that you spent on Google Ads last week. Please know that this data was retrieved in real time to your fingertips to this very terminal while Adzviser is working in the backend. Okay. So let's type in, hey, how about Facebook ads? Okay. Now Gemini is doing its thing, calling Adzviser's MCP server to fetch that real-time data to a terminal. And here we go. This is the amount of money that we spent on Facebook ads last week. Okay. How much did we make on Shopify? Okay, so this is how much we made on Shopify in the week of January 19th to 25th in 2026. And let's simply ask it to calculate the ROI for us. Please calculate the ROI for us. And Gemini will be able to calculate the return on investment based on how much we spend on Facebook ads and Google ads and how much we made on Shopify. Okay, so this is the ROI, 31.6%, and this is the net profit. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this video makes sense. I understand that this might feel a little bit hacky to a lot of the marketers, but unfortunately, this is the best that Google Gemini gives us, and we're trying to work our best to accommodate the setup of Gemini. Thank you for watching. I hope to talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.
Adzviser, 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 Adzviser,